My very first box from Tavour.com arrived today. I know you want to see what's in here as much as I do. Let's get started.
Find new and unusual craft beers with Tavour. There's no commitment and you only pay for the beer you want. Sign up today using the Brewing Around the Realm promo code below with a link in the description to save $10 on your first order.
This is Brewing Around the Realm. I'm Dave, your amateur brewmaster. Today, I've got a case of beer from Tavour.com. Over the last month, I have purchased 31 cans of beer from Tavour.com. They give you a chance to purchase new and unique craft beers that may not be available in your area. And this is the first case that I've purchased from them. I'm interested to see how this goes and how they've got this packaged. I'm very happy. This is a very sturdy box. I'm very happy with the way this came packaged. One thing I'm a little frustrated with is it came from a local courier service. So what they do is they ship it to a local courier service, and then that courier service picks up the packages and delivers it to you a couple of days later. All over, this box traveled for 9 days from Seattle to my location here in central Pennsylvania. Granted, they do only charge $14.90 for shipping, but I would have liked the option to pick FedEx or UPS to get this a little bit quicker. It's one of the drawbacks of using Tavour.com, but I think it's worth it. You do get a good selection of beers, and I want to give everybody a close-up of me opening this. I did not open this earlier. I'm going to open it right now, and here we go. This is packaged very nicely. I definitely think that they did a very good job of packaging this. I was afraid that this was going to ship in a 24-pack case, and I really didn't think that was going to hold up the shipment. I'm glad to see that they use a really sturdy box, and this is sealed up really, really well. There we go. So, Discover Extraordinary Beer. And here is the list of beer that I purchased in this order. I will put a list of these beers on the website. Get some advertisement stuff here, and nothing on that one. But here are our cans, and I've got a selection of 16 and 12 ounce cans. Some of these are from the West Coast, and quite a few of these are actually from areas around Seattle. This is a really sturdy packaging. I really like this. I'm going to let me get this unpacked. I'll show everybody what we got. Okay, I went down the list, made sure I got all those out of there. I have a total of 17 unique different beers in here. I purchased 31 beers total. Some of these are unique to the West Coast that I never would have been able to find here in central Pennsylvania. Other ones, like these Evil Twin Brewing ones, I do see Evil Twin beers here in my area, and I have had those before. So what I'm going to do is I will do reviews of each one of these and get those videos up probably over the next couple of months. And I think that probably 1 or 2 a week is going to be the maximum that I can get up. We'll see how that goes. If you're interested in the full list of beers that I purchased, make sure you check out the website over at brewingaroundtherealm.com. I will post the complete list there. And I thank everybody for watching today's video. Make sure you stop over at Tavour.com and use the brewingaroundtherealm.com/Tavour link for your beer purchases. That'll get you $10 off your next beer purchase at Tavour.com when you sign up for a new account. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up at the corner. That's the best way to keep up to date with all the videos I put out on a regular basis. And give today's video a thumbs up. That's the best way to help me out right now. Till next time, this is Dave from Brewing Around the Realm. Happy brewing.